While it is quite easy and even relatively affordable to go out to your local liquor store and pick up a six-pack of beers, many people find that brewing their own beer produces a tastier drink that they can enjoy with a group of friends at a barbecue or while watching the big game. There is also the satisfaction of knowing that you made that beer that you are sipping on. Beer brewing requires a couple of items in order to ensure every batch you brew comes out perfect, and one of these should be the best brew kettle. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated brew kettle, as well as one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best brew kettle, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, CONCORD Stainless Steel Homebrew Kettle Stock Pot. After we analyzed many brew kettles that are currently available on the market, we found that the best brew kettle surely is the CONCORD Stainless Steel Homebrew Kettle Stock Pot. This particular option is superior to many alternative options in a number of ways. The product is available in a 40-gallon option by default, but also comes in other sizes, ranging from smaller brew kettles that can boil around 5 gallons of liquid at a time, all the way to the larger options that can take up to 45 gallons of liquid. The product is made from a high-quality stainless steel material that is used in many commercial constructions. It comes with a fully polished finish and includes a number of convenient accessories that will be handy when you are trying to brew your own batch of beer. The lid can easily be hanged on the kettle's side, adding more convenience to the operation while adding the liquid and the hops to the pot. Coming in at number 2, GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle set. Second on our list of the top options that you can choose from if you wish to buy a new brew kettle for your beer brewing operations is the GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle. This is a medium-sized option that can hold up to 16 gallons of liquid. 2 alternative options are available, including an 8-gallon and a 10-gallon brew kettle. The product comes with a number of crucial components and accessories to make the process of brewing your own batches of beer faster and easier. The stainless steel used to produce the GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle are commercial grade, while the finish applied to the stainless steel material offers a classic and sleek appearance. The product is also exceptionally durable and will last for quite a significant period of time. In addition to being an ideal option for brewing beer, this particular option also doubles as a cooking pot for crabs, peanut boiling, and for cooking crawfish. Coming in at number 3, Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel 6-piece brew kettle. The Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel 6-piece brew kettle, as the name suggests, can provide you with adequate space to boil approximately 16 gallons of liquid. When you buy this particular product, you do not only get the main brew kettle that you will need in order to brew beer, but also the additional accessories that are required to do the job the right way. The kettle is made from a top-quality stainless steel material to ensure you get a product that is durable and that will not stain or rust after just a couple of uses. The tri-ply bottom feature further adds to the overall durability and quality of the Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel brew kettle. This particular kit comes at a relatively affordable price, considering the quality of the product. This ensures you do not have to spend too much on the equipment and tools that you need in order to make sure you can successfully brew your own beer. Looking to learn more about the best brew kettle in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Brewer's Edge Mash and Boil. The Brewer's Edge Mash and Boil product is a 2-in-1 option that can be used during the first 2 phases of beer production. The product can be used during the mash process and can then again be used when it comes to the boiling part. This can save you a lot of time and also means you need fewer pieces of equipment in order to brew up your own batches of beer. The product can mash a maximum of 16-pound malt at a time and can boil up to 7.5 gallons of liquid afterward. The Brewer's Edge Mash and Boil Brew Kettle is made from a quality stainless steel material and features a double wall design, which ensures steam can circulate and provide an evenly heated internal compartment for the liquid to boil during the boiling process. Coming in at number 5, Northern Brewer Megapot 1.2 Homebrew Stainless Steel Brew Kettle Stock Pot for beer brewing. Next up is the Northern Brewer Megapot 1.2 Homebrew Stainless Steel Brew Kettle Stock Pot for beer brewing. This is one of the ideal options for those looking for a product that adds flexibility to the mix as it comes in a range of different sizes, as well as various material types. You can choose between sizes that vary from 8-gallon brew kettles all the way to 30-gallon brew kettles. In terms of material, you can select to buy the brew kettle only to add value, and you have the option to opt for a brew kettle that comes fitted with a thermometer. This way, you'll be able to monitor the temperature reached during the boiling process accurately. Coming in at number 6, Bayou Classic Stainless Steel Brew Kettle. If you're looking to brew your own beer, but your budget does not allow for the more expensive and advanced options that are currently available on the market, then consider opting for the Bayou Classic Stainless Steel Brew Kettle. This is a very basic option that is made from stainless steel for added durability and to make cleaning up the product easier. The kettle can boil up to 7.5 gallons of liquid at a time. In addition to being an ideal option for the boiling phase while brewing beer, this particular option is also great for those who are looking for a product that they can use during the malting process. As well as being great for a variety of functions, the Bayou Classic Stainless Steel Brew Kettle comes at a very attractive price, at less than $50 per kettle. You can also use this as a multi-purpose pot, in addition to being able to brew beer, and you can also use this brew kettle pot for outdoor cooking. Coming in at number 7, Northern Brewer HomeBrewing Starter Set Equipment for making 5 gallons of homemade beer. If you are looking for the best 5-gallon brew kettle and you want everything that you will need to get started with your beer brewing operations, then take a look at the Northern Brewer HomeBrewing Start Set. This is a complete starter kit and is currently one of the top-rated options in terms of kits that can be used to brew beer at home that you will need during the process of brewing your own beer. This particular kit is perfect for beginners due to the inclusion of an instructions manual that tells you everything that you need to know about beer brewing. This kit comes with a recipe kit, a fermenter, a bubbler airlock, a bottling bucket, a stainless steel brew kettle, a siphon tubing system, and more. The system is extremely easy to clean and to sanitize before you start the process of brewing beer. The entire system costs just over $100, which makes this an ideal option for beginners since it comes with a complete kit that does not only allow you to boil your liquid, but takes you through the entire process. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite best brew kettle. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com brew kettle to avoid. Brewer's Best Beer Brewing Boiling Pot Stainless Steel with Lid. We've looked at 7 of the top options that you should consider if you want to buy a brew kettle that you can use for brewing your own beer, or even brewing your own kombucha in the comfort of your own home. We want to take a quick look at the worst brew kettle on the market as well. There are many options out there that will not provide you with adequate functionality that you may require to ensure you can brew a fresh batch of beer without any issues. We found the Brewer's Best Beer Brewing Boiling Pot Stainless Steel with Lid to be a particularly bad option that you can choose. The Brewer's Best Beer Brewing Boiling Pot Stainless Steel with Lid comes in both an 8-gallon and a 16-gallon option. The product has a relatively low thickness in its walls and its bottom. The brew kettle is made from stainless steel material to assure the durability of the product. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best brew kettle. When brewing beer, there is a couple of ingredients you require, as well as some equipment and tools. Everything who has delved into this activity before knows just how important of a role a brewing kettle or pot plays in the entire process, which is why we decided to take a look at the best brew kettle. This helps you buy the right kettle when you decide to start brewing your own batches of beer and ensures you can avoid the disappointment of buying a product that does not work as you expect it to work. Looking to learn more about the best brew kettle in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite brew kettle. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.